Hello everyone. Today I'll show you the hidden buttons found in your Google Play Store, the app you use to download games and apps to your phone. Even if you don't use the Google Play Store, these hidden buttons still drain your battery because your phone has a ton of hidden processes that interact with your internet connection. I think everyone would like to get rid of these unnecessary battery draining features on their smartphones. Even if your battery holds a good charge, trust me, after making these adjustments, it will hold a charge even better and for even longer. This way, you can double your smartphone's battery life. I'll tell you everything and show you. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, of course, we need to use the Google Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Next, look at your avatar or account icon in the top right corner. Click on it, scroll down, and find this gear. These are your settings. Click here. Next, look, there's a general section. Click on the arrow at the bottom on the right. Next, we're interested in the notifications section. Go to this line. And you'll be surprised, if you've never been here before, absolutely everything here will be enabled. So, let me tell you, even if you don't receive notifications from the Google Play Store, each of these features contacts its developers online to see if a notification needs to be sent to your phone. What kind of notification is this? For example, you downloaded a game, and it might send you notifications that you've received some bonuses or that you've unlocked a level, and so on. This is just an example. In reality, absolutely any app tries to send you notifications, and Google Play Store monitors all these apps. It also independently sends notifications with advertisements for certain apps. Sometimes you download something, watch something, don't like it, and delete it. Google Play Market saves the history of deleted apps and starts sending you ads, telling you to re-download such a great app. Basically, you need to enable everything here, because it's just useless data collection and, of course, a huge drain on your battery. You need to go through each slider and simply disable them. Go ahead and disable them, because these are simply useless features you don't use, and they're constantly running from morning until night, draining your battery. Look, enable everything, and your battery will drain less. Of course, that's not all. Watch the video to the end. I'll show you a few more clever settings hidden here. Go back with the back arrow. So, to avoid confusion, use the back arrow again. Now you've entered Google Play Market. Next, tap your avatar again, then your account, and scroll down. Go back to settings. But now we're interested in your internet connection, which allows you to download updates. Click on this line. There's a feature called Auto Update Apps. It's enabled by default on all smartphones and runs from morning until evening. The thing is, every app contacts its own servers several times a day, 2, 3, 4 times a day, to check for updates. To give you an idea, updates often don't arrive. Sometimes apps do update, but it's usually after a few months. So, why waste battery life? Your internet connection will be constantly being used to check for these updates. Imagine that each phone has approximately 30, 40, or 50 apps, and each one tries to connect to its server 2, 3, or 4 times via your mobile data or Wi-Fi to transfer data. Of course, this drains your battery. What do I recommend? Disable these auto updates. Here, tap at the very bottom. And now I'll show you how you can do it very easily with just one tap. Update all your apps at least once a month. Let's exit again so you don't get confused. Look, let's go back to your avatar. And now at the very top, we have a line that is responsible for your app. Tap here. And now look, the second line is Update All Apps. As you can see, I have 111 apps currently shown, and I can update them all at any time by simply tapping this button. But you can also tap this button, and it will show you the apps that have updates, and you can update them manually. Before doing this, read up on whether you need this update or not, because it rarely happens that an update is bad, and you absolutely don't need it. So, if you don't want any of the interfaces you're used to change, or perhaps there are some bugs in the update, then you don't actually need to update it, and it will continue to work. Now I'll show you the next setting, which drains your battery significantly, and few people know about it. Go back, tap on your avatar again, and then tap on your account. And look, there's also a built-in antivirus called Play Protect. Tap here. Now we need to go to these settings, and you'll see 2 sliders and 2 buttons. They'll be enabled. The first button is for scanning your apps for viruses. You can basically leave it enabled, although in other videos have shown that you can disable it because your phone has 2 antivirus apps running. This is, of course, up to you, but the bottom button should definitely be disabled, because it collects information about your app usage and sends it to Google. This also drains the battery significantly because it's transferring data. These settings will, in principle, be enough to save battery life by about 2 or 3 times. And you'll be pleasantly surprised that your phone will start working well and even improve performance. Yeah,